The cryptocurrency market has been undergoing some wild volatility over the last 24 to 48 hours. This weekend was a brutal downside swing, but we may be recovering. Bitcoin has hit lows around 49,000, Ethereum tapped lows around 2,100, Shiba Inu coin hit lows around 1,000 points per coin, and everything is up nearly 10, 20, some coins even 30% from those recent lows. But we're going to be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency news in this video, because you guys can see that people are talking, and it's not just the cryptocurrency industry that is getting hit as hard as it is. Stocks across the globe are bracing for a recession. So we're going to go over what's happening in the finance space. We're also going to be talking about Pepe Unchained in this video, because when retail finally realizes where the opportunity lies and they flow back into meme coins, this bad boy right here could soar higher. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we've got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, you want to take advantage of this dip, you want to get in on the ground floor, make sure you click that link in the description or the pinned comment down below. We're going to go through the rest of it in a second here, but first of all, read these headlines. Bitcoin plunges and Ethereum has the worst drop since 2021 as crypto sinks. First mover Americas. Bitcoin crashes to $50,000 as the perfect storm hits crypto. Bitcoin plunges, Ethereum sinks. Crypto sell-off wipes out $367 billion in wealth. Think about that, guys. $367 billion in wealth disappeared in a matter of hours. It's insane to think how that happens there. Now, the good news is Justin Sun is denying liquidation rumors, and in fact, he's announcing a $1 billion fund amid the market crash. But I want to focus on this article real quick before we jump back into the Pepe pre-sale there and show you why it might be the opportune time to jump in. It says, first mover America's Bitcoin crashes to $50,000 as the perfect storm hits crypto. So let's try to figure out what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. Cryptos crashed as risk-off sentiment permeated global markets. Bitcoin tumbled below $60,000 at the start of the weekend and then nosedived to $49,000 during Monday's Asian morning session as investors fled risk-on assets. Bitcoin is down nearly 15% over the last 24 hours, recovering to around $52,000, and at the time of recording this video, about $54,000. Ethereum fell to 22% to $2,100, recording its biggest one-day fall since 2021. Guys, over a 21% decline in the price of Ethereum in a matter of one day. The altcoin heavy broad market benchmark, CoinDesk 20 index, or the CD20, slid nearly 20%, with crypto majors Solana and Near Protocol dropping 20 to 25%. So it feels like we've been hit by the perfect storm, this QCP analyst said in a market update. We started with sentiment shift on Friday as U.S. economic data and jobs data ignited recession fears, coupled with rising tensions in the Middle East. The Japanese yen spiked against the U.S. dollar, leading to an unwind of trades across the asset classes. With Asian equity indexes suffering record routes on Monday, the Taiwanese index, for example, had its worst day in over 57 years, and the Japanese stock market closed its worst trading day ever. QCP also pointed to crypto trading giant Jump selling off assets, exacerbating the decline. There's a lot going on in the cryptocurrency space right now. We may have bottomed as prices have already begun to rise today, but it might just be one of those dead cat bounces where we have a nice little rebound as people buy the dip, but unfortunately the bears prevail. We're going to have to see how that plays out. But guys, if we truly are on the brink of the bottom, right, in terms of total fear, in terms of total losses and so on, retail investors are going to return, and they return to meme coins. They return to meme coins because they can take their $100 and turn it into $5,000. If they buy Bitcoin, their $100 could eventually become $120. They understand that, which is why Pepe Unchained, building a layer 2 blockchain specifically for meme coins, could do the best during the upcoming bull market. Now, if you guys are interested, it's very easy to click Connect Wallet. I use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code that pops up. You guys can connect however you want. From there, you just simply determine how much you want to buy. If you want to buy 5 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 1,358,247 Pepe Unchained. And I'm going to let you guys do the math. 1.3 million. Imagine what happens when it reaches a cent. 5 cents. 10 cents. $1. The upcoming bull market is going to be wild. And we know that retail investors, because they go for meme coins, Pepe Unchained could be setting itself up to be the greatest meme coin in the upcoming bull market. Guys, if you're here for the long term and you want to check out their staking rewards, they currently offer 265% annualized passive income by staking, and they can afford to do so because 30% of the entire supply is dedicated to those staking rewards. 20% is set aside for the pre-sale and 30% set aside for those staking rewards. Guys, Pepe Unchained, and let's just go to the About section real quick so you can see that you can also earn these insane rewards, but it is the future of meme coins. It's a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. Pepe being one of the largest and one of the greatest meme coins to ever be released. I mean, you got to look at Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin, sure, but Pepe being released in 2023. Doing nearly $1 billion a day in volume. It is one of the biggest meme coins in the world. If Pepe Unchained captures just a fraction of that interest, it is going to be one of the best layer 2 blockchains out there. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.